Almost fell, guys. Just when you thought it couldn't get any prettier, it did. Look at that nice yellow green in the forest over there. What's cool about this artistically is that the trees, with their direction, they're pointing upwards, and because of that, guys, it's pointing towards the mountains. It guides your eye to the mountains, and with the shading also, it's the light patches in contrast with the shadow really makes the picture interesting. But also, since most of the light's on the mountain, your eye's really gonna go towards that. And color wise, let me think. Color wise, you got all the details on the bottom with like the trees. Oh wait, no, that's not color wise. Detail wise, you got all the details on the bottom with like the trees and the mountain. However, if you look up at the sky, it's way more simple shapes. Way more simple shapes. Also way more round shapes in comparison to the straight lines of the trees and the kind of structured looking lines and the straighter lines of the mountains. The orange of the mountains really complements the blue of the sky. And yeah, that's my art rant. I think there's ducks over there. Yeah, there's ducks. Can you guys see the ducks? They chilling. I'm gonna try and be really careful and quiet to not disturb them. Hey ducks, you chilling? Hey babies. Hi. Hey babies. Bye. Hey babies. Bye. Hi tree trunk. How you doing? Hello many tree trunks. I'm gonna give them a little pat. Hold on. Pat. Gave him a little pat. Ugh.
I need to back.
No, you're fine.
Did you guys pee in the lake yet?
Not yet.
No. Are you peeing right now? So I'm gonna put a video. Is it facing you? I'm gonna do it facing you. Or facing you.
Let me hold it for you.
It's facing me right now. So we're here in the lake, Lake Murray, or
Mary.
Lake Murray.
Mary.
Mary. See, my husband is right there. He's the one paddling. I'm just a princess riding the paddleboard, guys. You see the view? It's so pretty back there. The water is so cold. Why are you paddling on water so bad up there? The water is so cold compared to the one earlier. The kanina na hot spring, it was good and hot. This one, it's so cold. I just don't want to, I want to stay up on the paddleboard. I don't want to get wet. It's very refreshing water, guys. I know you guys don't want to see my face. I'm just gonna. Do you want to hold it?
Oh wait, it's facing me.
Is it me right now? What did you do?
We're getting pushed there. I need to go up there.
Where? paddling and paddling and paddling. The view is awesome. See those kids jumping in the... I wish I could jump like that. They're so cute, playing in the water. Boom!
Oh, look, there's Mickey. Michaela.
See all those families having fun and enjoying the lake. We are paddle boarding,
We're good.
or my husband is paddle boarding. There is my daughter at the shore. This is Ivy at Ivy's Adventures. I look good there. I like that. And we are here in Lake Mary, paddle boarding. Actually, I'm the princess sitting on a paddle board, and my husband is the one paddle boarding. So I'm taking my little video here, and I'm here at the GoPro also to give you the maximum adventures that you can find here. So enjoy the view. Come join me on this adventure. Ivy's Adventures. I'll take you here. We're paddle boarding at Lake Mary. Only at Ivy's Adventures, guys. Only at Ivy's Adventures. Isn't that nice? Look at that mountain. It's so pretty. Okay. Hi, baby.
Hi.
My daughter is there. The water is cold. Yes, the water is cold and refreshing. Very refreshing. So nice, huh? So this is Ivy at Ivy's Adventures. So this is Ivy at Ivy's Adventures, and we have shown you the video at Lake Mary, the Mammoth Lakes, paddling or paddle boarding here. Always, pogi na asawa ko, no guys. Always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep watching Ivy's Adventures. There's more adventures to watch, and there's more videos to see. Bye! Again, this is Ivy at Ivy's Adventures. Don't forget, 1. Like. 2. Subscribe. 3. Keep watching Ivy's Adventures. There's more videos to watch. Don't you enjoy the scenery, guys? It's so pretty here. Bye.
Kaya may sa likod lang. Sa kabila. Hindi kami. Mainit yung si Mickey kanina eh. Maaraw. Demure. I know. May bike trail pala rito eh. No? Ayun, hindi nakita ko.
There's bike trail everywhere. I see everybody with a bike.
I know. Stress.
I don't have the energy to do. I was thinking of doing that lift, and I don't
Yeah. We can do it tomorrow after the horse.
after the horse and then the hike. I don't think we'll have energy after
Oh,
horse and then hike back. We'll figure it. It's fun. It's good. I can't believe Nikki was there. It's not even an hour, no?
yeah. Mickey had more than an hour.
I know.
Yeah.
She liked that.
Yeah.
We should get her something like this.
Yeah.
So please like and subscribe Ivy's Adventures and keep watching. There's more videos to watch.